Imagine a multi-billion-dollar industry, operating in the shadows of the glamorous fresh seafood market. Yes, it's the canned fish industry. This unassuming titan, often overlooked, quietly generates a staggering revenue, dwarfing many industries that bask in the limelight. Despite its humble packaging, the canned fish industry is a global phenomenon, its reach extending from the quaint coastal fisheries of the Mediterranean, all the way to the bustling supermarket shelves in metropolitan cities across the globe. This industry is not just about sardines and tuna. It's a vast ecosystem that includes a variety of fish species, each canned and preserved to perfection, ready to be enjoyed by millions worldwide. It's an industry that doesn't just feed people but also fuels economies, creating jobs and opportunities in countless communities. Beneath the humble exterior of canned fish lies a global powerhouse, an industry that feeds millions and generates billions. From the deep sea to a can in your pantry, the journey of canned fish is a story of technology and human ingenuity. Imagine the vast open ocean. Beneath the surface, a bustling world of marine life thrives. Among them, the stars of our story, fish. The first stage of their journey starts with the catch. This isn't a small-scale operation with fishing rods and bait. We're talking about large fishing vessels equipped with state-of-the-art sonar systems to locate schools of fish. Once the catch is aboard, it's a race against time to ensure freshness. The fish are then quickly sorted by species and size. Some are destined for the fresh market, but many are bound for the canning factory. Once they reach the factory, they're cleaned, cooked, and prepared. It's a precise operation with machines doing much of the work to ensure speed and consistency. Now let's talk about the canning process. It's not just about packing fish into a can and sealing it shut. There's a science to it. The fish are packed in a way to maximize space, but also to ensure even heat distribution during sterilization. This is where technology shines, with automated systems ensuring each can is perfectly filled and sealed. After sealing, the cans undergo a sterilization process, heated to a specific temperature for a set period. This process ensures any harmful bacteria are killed, making the product safe for consumption, but the journey doesn't end there. Each batch goes through rigorous quality control. They're tested for safety, taste, and texture. Only the finest cans make it past this stage. Finally, the cans are labeled and packed for distribution. They're shipped all over the world, gracing the shelves of supermarkets and the pantries of homes. It's a complex process, a dance between man and machine, all to ensure the fish that started in the deep sea end up safely canned, ready for you to enjoy. So the next time you pop open a can of tuna or sardines, remember the intricate process that brings the ocean's bounty to your table. While many countries contribute to the canned fish industry, a few key players dominate the market. Let's dive in, starting with Thailand. Known as the kitchen of the world, Thailand is a powerhouse in the canned fish industry. The country's tropical climate and rich marine resources make it a prime location for fishing. But what really sets Thailand apart is its innovative canning methods. They've mastered the art of preserving the freshness and flavor of the fish, all while ensuring safety standards that are recognized globally. Moving on to China. A behemoth in many industries, it's no surprise they're a major player when it comes to canned fish. Their dominance stems from their vast coastal lines and enormous population, which not only provides a large quantity of seafood, but also a massive domestic market. Chinese manufacturers have also invested heavily in modern fishing and processing technologies, further bolstering their position in the industry. And then we have Spain, a country imbued with a rich fishing tradition. Spanish fleets have been navigating the world's oceans for centuries, and this legacy is reflected in their canned fish industry. Spain's commitment to quality is unparalleled. From hand-picking the finest fish to using traditional canning methods that have been passed down generations, the result is a product that is as delicious as it is authentic. But it's not just about the quantity of fish these countries produce, but the quality. Each of these nations has something unique to offer. Thailand with its innovative canning methods, China with its scale and technological advancement, and Spain with its centuries-old fishing traditions and emphasis on quality. It's also worth noting that these countries have not just dominated the canned fish industry by chance. They've made strategic investments in technology, sustainability, and quality control. They've recognized the importance of preserving their marine environments while also meeting the growing global demand for canned fish. These nations, with their rich fishing traditions and technological prowess, set the pace for the canned fish industry. In an ever-evolving market, the canned fish industry continues to adapt and innovate. It's not just about catching fish anymore, It's about doing it sustainably, ensuring we keep our oceans healthy for generations to come. Brands are embracing responsible fishing practices, with many now sourcing exclusively from certified sustainable fisheries. This commitment to sustainability doesn't stop at the water's edge. It extends to the packaging itself, with many companies exploring innovative, eco-friendly options. From biodegradable cans to recyclable cardboard, the future of canned fish packaging is greener than ever. These emerging trends are shaping the future of the industry, allowing it to stay afloat in a sea of change. With a growing global demand for seafood, these practices are not just good for the planet, they're good for business. As we look ahead, it's clear that this industry is not just surviving, it's thriving. With a commitment to sustainability and innovation, the canned fish industry sails confidently into the future. The canned fish industry, an unassuming titan, has quite a story to tell. Who would have thought that such a modest product could boast of such a colossal scale? The canning process itself is a marvel, where raw seafood is transformed into a shelf-stable, nutritious meal ready to be shipped globally. This industry is dominated by a few key players, countries that have harnessed their seafood resources and canning capabilities to lead the pack. Yet, it's an ever-evolving field, with future trends promising exciting prospects. Sustainability, innovation in packaging, and new flavors are just some of the areas where we can expect growth and transformation. So, next time you reach for that can of fish, remember the journey it took to get there, and appreciate the world that exists within that small metal container. From the depths of the ocean to the shelves of your local supermarket, it truly is a remarkable tale.